hope you've been wondering why you're a loser. It's your parents. Your parents don't want you to be successful. They want you to be a trophy they can use to outshine the neighbors. They are using your life as a scorecard for their own failed ambitions. Your parents would rather see you miserable in a suit than happy in a t-shirt. We have a pandemic of parents who are using their children to settle old scores. Because they didn't get the degree or they didn't get the big house, now the child has to chase it. They will sit you down and compare you to the cousin Thabo, who is doing well. Meanwhile, Thabo asks for loans every Tuesday. They'd rather you be a depressed accountant than a rich creator, because they don't know how to brag about creator in Zulu. They're literally gambling you